Hey guys, welcome to Lifestone TV. Today I want to talk about gratitude and confidence and really knowing your self-worth. And this really touches a nerve with me because um, I don't want to say I struggle with being confident, but I just always feel like sometimes I I confuse gratitude and guilt in a way, and feeling like yes, I am so grateful to have this and this, but at the same time I don't feel like I'm worthy of it, and I feel guilty for having these things. And it's just like it's a weird relationship that I have, in which I have with things like that. So in terms of feeling more gratitude and being just worthy of it, and having that confidence of, hey, I'm worth this, right? It's not a matter of I'm not I'm not deserving of this and I have to kind of keep myself at a lower level. So what really has helped me with this is just doing more difficult things. And I know that sounds like really simple, but once I started really branching out and making myself impressed and making myself proud and inspiring myself and saying to myself, hey, like, I'm backing up my words with my actions. I'm actually getting stuff done. I'm not just being lazy and waiting for things to happen and waiting for other people to make things happen for me. I'm actually taking the initiative and taking control and putting myself first and making my needs a priority. And I'm not saying to myself, hey, like, I'm not worth this like I used to, and just kind of like, oh, it's like a waiting game of like someone rescue me. Now it's more a matter of like, hey, like, I want something, I go get it. And that gives me a lot of confidence in myself. And just overall, like, when I look in the mirror, I just feel like I'm more in love with myself, if that makes sense. Like, and you really have to practice self-love. You really, if you don't like yourself, if you don't have that self-love, if you don't, it's not going to be an easy life. Like, you're not going to have good relationships. You have to really stand by everything that you do and have that integrity. Everything that I'm talking about today is really, it inspired a soap, and this soap I want to talk about is Enchanted Rose. And Enchanted Rose, I also use this on my face. So all of our soaps are made for your face and for your body, although certain soaps, you can be more sensitive to it on your face, like our Himalayan sea salt soap. It might be a little bit too abrasive for you, even though I have used it on my face. And so it's more a matter of like, it's subjective in a way, but they are safe for your face. So what I like to do, and to reiterate, this is a eucalyptus soap, right? And some people have sensitivity to eucalyptus around the eyes, right? Or mint, right? Mint, eucalyptus, things like that. So it's not like that it's harmful, or it's not natural, or in any way it's not going to clog your pores or anything like that. It's more a matter of like sensitivity per person. So it really depends on you. So this one I definitely recommend using it anywhere you like. I love to use this on my face. It doesn't dry my skin out at all, and I actually use it the same way like I do all of the soaps, which is just going in there in my TMJ joint jaw joint, for my TMJ. And it really is great because you can actually like grind it in. So and this soap, I want to talk about the meaning, because the meaning is really all about gratitude, confidence, love, self-worth. The affirmation that comes along with Enchanted Rose is, I allow the gifts of the universe to pour into me. I overflow with irresistible confidence. And when you bathe with this soap and you continue to say the affirmation either in your mind or out loud as you use it, it really allows you to open up areas in your mind and just unlock things about yourself that help you answer those questions of, where is this stemming from? Where do I have this guilt from? Where do I have this low self-esteem from? Where do I have this low self-worth from? Where does it come from? And really coming to terms with it, and removing any limiting beliefs, and also working upon it, and changing things around, and really like shifting your mindset and shifting your beliefs, because your beliefs shape you. This soap actually has rose quartz, which really correlates with the meaning. And then French pink clay, which is really beautiful for the skin, and geranium essential oil and lavender essential oil. This scent, I get so many compliments on this scent, and I must agree that when you smell it, it just makes you feel like royalty, and like it's like a princess scent. It's very, very pampering, and it feels very upscale and floral and rose and just luxurious. And yeah, it's a fantastic, fantastic smell. These are all available. This one is called Enchanted Rose. It is available on our website, which is lifestoneusa.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and peace and gratitude.